It is currently 6 degree, actually cold rain. It's not windy. But now I am in Rinekesicki. At this time actually I finish school, and after this I probably will go somewhere because I need to prepare something. And this is how it looks, the Rinekesicki. The market is rain. The Slivka. Dzień dobry, good afternoon everybody. Just another day in Poznan. Yes, I think it's autumn, but feeling is just like my husband always said, that feeling just like winter. Actually, it's cold around 6 degrees. So I will go, I think, in the area of the Pulwejska walking street today to show you how it looks, the situation in Poznan Centrum during the autumn. It's 2 p.m. I'm waiting for the tram. It's rain. That's the Kamienica. This is the traffic situation in Rinekesicki area. I arrived in Pulwejska area. It's just like the walking street area. Basically in front of me is the Stary Browar, another mall that I like, but today I'm not going to the mall. First of all, I will take you to the stroll around sightseeing here in Pulwejska street. It's just like walking streets. That's the mall. This is how it looks during the Rogali Swento Marcinski. So this is how it looks, the walking street. Cold rain. But still some people walking, going outside, no matter what the weather. You have to be active, tak? So today at school, actually some of my students get sick, maybe because of the changing season already, and the temperature is dropping drastically from 20 something and coming into 5-6 degrees, and it's just like a winter weather. So yeah, I go home earlier today because some of the teachers also sick. So this is how it looks in the situation. But it's nice to see how is the season change, how the people dress also differently. Oh yeah, slippery. It is nice flower shop. I remember, that's the Dobra Ponchkarnia Ponchek shop that I went the first time when I arrived in Poznan. Oh, so many nice sweet things. Interesting. This corner, Kamienica, the mama with the baby during autumn cold. Yeah, so some of the shop are actually just open afternoon. Yeah, maybe during this time not many people are going out. Parfum shop. Oh, nice. Kaukaska. Interesting. Jorgen. This kebab shop, actually some of the chairs outside, but not many people. Oh, nice shop. Maybe I would like to go here. Second hand shop. So I keep walking. Nice shop. I think that I will go somewhere in Pepco, or we go to Teddy. I was there and keep walking. So this is how it looks, the Pulwejska street in the afternoon at 2 or 3 p.m. We were there in Pulwejska street. And this is how it looks. Over there is gonna be a brand new Republis Kamienica, and here on my right side is the mall. I keep walking, and in this Wrocławka street So if we go straight, actually we are going to the Starry Renek, and here is Cuba Libre Social Club, Dennis Club. The chairs still outside, but seem like not many people. There's a museum Chocolada. Yeah, I think that people are prefer to sit inside nowadays. Okay, let's see what we're gonna do. Barabu, interesting. And I just, like the painting here. This Kaminica even in front of me. It's not that many people are going. Maybe because it's cold. Now we just arrived in the Starry Renek. Only students coming, and some of the people, and seems like the sitting outside. Nobody sitting outside are empty. Let's go over there. So I think that some of the business during summer was successful, and some of the business during autumn they just closed down. Just like this one, ice cream shop, they will close down during the autumn. This bakery, Santo Martins, and yeah, let's keep walking. It's really totally different. The vibe of the city is actually during autumn. It's just like quieter than summer. Now I arrived in the Plaç Wolosi. I remember a few weeks ago it's just like packed with people, but nowadays, yeah, seems like only some people are here enjoying the rain. Look at this mom and the kid. Yeah, this is how it is around. I think that I need to go home to catch my tram over there, and then I will cook, and then I will go somewhere later for coffee with Damian, because it's almost 4 and it's almost home time for Damian. So yeah, my gloves to stay warm. Well, actually autumn here is totally different. I think, like for me especially, as this is my first time experience fall, autumn, and yes, it's getting colder and colder. I think that's now I need to go home and yeah, getting ready for cooking. What I feel is that it's totally different experience in my life, like different weather, different everything in general. This is how it looks, the tram situation. On the left, on the right, people come in, come out from the tram. Kochanie!
Hi sayang. Hi everybody.
Oh, kochanie, is rain cold.
So lovely, isn't it?
This is my first time rain cold.
That's actually,
Colder than the spring lah.
yeah, it's 11 degree only. Everybody wearing their clothes, like a proper attire, umbrellas. And it's rainy and it's misty. You can see the towers in the background.
Look, people.
That's the 4 seasons, babe. But how do you feel with that so far?
I don't know, feel different.
Different, right? But it's not as bad, right? It's just different.
I just record how the
And
people...
do you think it's like quieter on the streets, less of pedestrians? No. It's busy. It's just like they wear jackets, hoodies, umbrellas, hats. That's it.
True. And then now we are going to where? Avenida? So big.
Yeah.
Kanye. Where are we going?
We're going to have a coffee.
The J.
I don't know what's the name. In Avenida on the top floor in the corner is the lounge. I don't know what's the name. Yeah, I
Okay.
forgot. What was that?
Dobra.
Lulu Cafe or something?
Okay,
Okay, let's go.
Look at this one.
Oh, this is also like a lounge, isn't it?
Dark. This is co-working space. All in the mall in Poznan they have co-working space. Nice. This one is actually one of our favorite coffee shop here, like a gallery. So many nice paintings. It's cold outside. It's time to have a coffee, tak Kohanye?
Tak.
And then we will go shopping. Tak.
Tak.
And so many nice, nice art paintings. This is like a gallery and coffee shop.
Look at this. There. There. This is the motorbike for the Żużel. Żużel is like a racing on the circuit, which actually the circuit is in Poznan, outside of at the edge actually of the Park Sołacz. Remember, we always wanted to go, but we never go. Can you go and show to the people the bike, Sayang? Okay, go.
Me?
Ah, because you are the star now of YouTube.
Okay, this is special request from Damian. So this one originally from Poznan. The bike. Poznanski Stowarzyszenie Zuza. Something like that. And this is how the coffee shop look like. Shopping time. Kohanye. So many nice things. Oh, we found Damian's favorite one. Pink grapefruit and peach. Bundaberg, Australian family owned. They import it from Australia?
Yeah.
And this one, Bavaria drink Damian's favorite.
Tak.
Kohanye, you're shopping. Kohanye,
Tak, Sayang.
you shopping?
Shopping.
Oh.
To love money, you have to
Spend money.
spend money. Or something like that. The Chinese
Dobra.
said. I forgot. I
Dobra.
had a t-shirt. I don't know where the t-shirt was.
In Bali, I love it.
It was nice. With the cat.
I know. Kohanye,
Tak.
it's freezing cold
Now 10 degree. Still warm. Where are we going, Sam? Now, eh?
Another mall.
Mall?
My God, it's just like a mall hopping in the autumn. Oh dear.
At least we are happy, right?
So we are in Relo Meroin. And then shopping, another shopping. So many nice thingy. Candle. A refresher. Nice home decoration here. Kohanye,
Tak.
where are we going again?
Now to the grocery store. I'm not gonna make a endorsement to which brand, but it's yellow and blue.
Okay.
And-
Okay.
And then we are in the mall, and then strolling around.
So many nice.
Isn't that mall so
Tak.
colorful?
That's nice. Kohanye, you look so chill.
Tak.
Drive home.
Tak, I'm warming up my feet. With
This
the
is
salt.
what I bought today for you. See? It's nice.
Thank you, Sayang.
Right, I think that's all our video today, guys. Thanks for watching.
Then see you tomorrow on next one. Bye bye.
It's time to
Time
rest.
to rest.